Summer brings its own set of challenges to makeup application. The scorching sun, high humidity, and sweltering temperatures can put your carefully crafted look to the test. Whether you're heading to a pool party, a beach vacation, or simply spending time outdoors, mastering the art of heat-proof summer makeup is essential. This comprehensive guide will walk you through a range of tips and techniques that will help you achieve a stunning makeup look that remains fresh and flawless even in the midst of the summer heat. Start with skincare. Preparation is the first step to successful summer makeup. Begin with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to provide hydration without weighing down your skin. Opt for a moisturizer with SPF to offer an additional layer of sun protection. Prime for endurance. A quality primer can be your best friend during summer. Choose a mattifying primer to control excess oil and keep shine at bay. Primers create a smooth base for makeup application, helping it to stay put for longer hours. Lightweight foundation. Heavy foundations and heat don't mix well. Opt for a lightweight, breathable foundation or a tinted moisturizer. These formulas provide coverage without feeling heavy on the skin, allowing your skin to breathe. Set with translucent powder. To prevent your makeup from sliding off your face, set it with a light dusting of translucent powder. Concentrate on areas prone to shine, like the T-zone. However, remember that less is more. Too much powder can lead to a cakey appearance. Waterproof products. Switch to waterproof or water-resistant makeup products. Waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and eyeshadows are designed to withstand sweat and humidity, ensuring your eye makeup stays put all day. Cream blush and highlighter. Cream-based blushes and highlighters are your allies in the summer heat. They provide a natural, dewy finish that is less likely to fade or melt away compared to powder products. Set with setting spray. Lock in your makeup with a setting spray designed to withstand heat. This step not only ensures longevity but also helps your makeup look fresher for an extended period. Matte lips. Opt for matte lip products instead of glossy ones. Matte lipsticks tend to have better staying power and are less likely to transfer onto your glass or fade throughout the day. By incorporating these heat-proof summer makeup tips into your routine, you can confidently face the summer heat while keeping your makeup intact. Remember that the key is to adapt your makeup to the season, allowing your natural beauty to shine through effortlessly.